Hey there, you're watching Amitha Verma. I know a lot of us are spending a lot more time at home than we may have before. If you're doing that, I wanted to share one of my favorite projects I've done on my own home. I needed to create a little peace and organization in my home. Now, this can be a huge project, and so I wanted to tell you today where to start and how I accomplished a couple of different rooms throughout my house. So before you jump into organizing your entire house, the first project is to decide on about 2 to 3, maybe 4 different styles of containers that you're going to use throughout your house. This was the first project and actually required a couple of trips or ordering a few samples to really figure out what I wanted to use all throughout my house. Here's the thing about organizing. You don't want to reinvent the wheel and change your containers and change your ideas in every single drawer, pantry, cupboard, and cabinet and room throughout your house, because quite frankly, that's going to create more chaos. So the first thing I did was decide what were the main types of containers I wanted to use in the different areas of my home. So for me personally, baskets did really well for the style of my decor all throughout my house. They're cute, they're cozy, they're small, they help me group things, and so that right away helped me land on one category. The second category were the types of small drawer compartment containers I wanted to include in my house. Again, if you go online, you'll find white, you'll find clear, you'll find colored, all kinds of options. And then last but not least, I looked at a way to keep my big drawers organized.
My first project was just selecting a few styles of baskets, drawer inserts, and drawer dividers before committing to reorganizing the whole house.
So as I started looking for baskets, for me, the process was actually pretty simple. The first thing I did was measure the depth of my shelves and upper cabinets so I could commit to a size, and then I looked at what color I wanted to use. And so I used the colors around my house all throughout to really be the guiding factor. In my house, I have a lot of gray, a lot of linen, a lot of white. So I was thrilled to find this particular basket that's gray with this beautiful linen fabric inside that just blends perfectly with the color scheme of my home. So as you can see, it blends in. I would not have opted for a black basket or a red basket because I really wanted it to blend into and disappear into my cabinets and bookshelves and all the different areas of my home that I was trying to organize. The next section are the little drawer containers and compartments. I really wanted to, again, be driven by the hard finishes in my home. So here you can see my kitchen island, kind of the hub of our home, has all of this really beautiful rusty and gold and gray blue veining. And to add a little bit of warmth into my home, as you can see, it's surrounded by lots of white and gray, I opted for these really beautiful, warm, honey tone wood color inserts. And once I decided on that, every single top drawer throughout the entire home got the same color. Last but not least, I really love these expandable drawer dividers to help organize big, long drawers. These create beautiful sections that I can then organize whatever it's gonna go into. And since I landed on these beautiful honey-colored drawer inserts, I just took the inspiration from that same page and carried that over into my drawers. So I didn't have to really make another hard decision. I just followed what I already started. So before I jumped into any project, this is actually what I did first. And committing to this color palette, these types of containers, helped me create a system that I was able to use throughout my home. So my suggestion to you is go online or go to your favorite store, bring home a few different finishes and colors that you might be interested in. Try it into an area where you want to get started, and then commit to that particular style to use throughout your home. It will make the next project so much easier because you're not trying to rethink and reinvent a whole new system every time you start a new area of organizing. My next suggestion is to start with a small area. This might be a bathroom vanity drawer or your desk. I'm a crazy woman. I started with my pantry. That was the area that was driving me the most insane. So whatever inspires you, but if you can, start with something small so you can get the hang of it, and then as you get time, every few weeks, keep on organizing till your heart's content. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to our channel where you can have access to more amazing design tips and organizational ideas. As soon as you're done with that, head over to my blog where you can receive loads of great design tips. Till the next time we meet, keep making your home amazing with your design gifts. I hope you enjoyed this video. If sure, be sure to